All right. So this is an example of how you're going to find the intercepts of a line. So when they're talking about intercepts, they're talking about the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So one thing you have to notice is that when you're finding the x-intercept, for example, what you have to know is that y is always equal to 0. And what you have to do is find out the x value. So it goes in order like this. This is your x, this is your y value. So 0 will go here, okay? And then the x-intercept, you find it by looking at the x-axis right here. And notice that this blue line crosses the x-axis right there. So I'm gonna mark it, okay? And this is the point 3, 0, because x is equal to 3. And since you don't move up or down right here, you don't move up or down, you stay here at 0 for y. So what I'm going to put here is a 3. Okay. And then for the next one, I'll do it in green. Okay. Again, you have the x and y value. And I want to find out the y-intercept. So for the y-intercept, x is always equal to 0. And you want to find out the y value. So I leave that as a question mark. So right away, I put 0 right here. Okay, so then I look for it. So I see where the blue line crosses the y-axis right here. And notice that it crosses right there. So I'm going to mark it. And it's going to be 0 because my x value is 0. And then my y value is negative 10. Okay, so then I just put negative 10 here. But as long as you know that for the y-intercept, x is always 0, so you always have the 0 there. And for the x-intercept, the y is equal to 0, so you put it right there. And that's how you determine the intercepts of the line.